Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Oats here again. So today we are gonna make some goat's milk and oat soup. This soup is both good for the face and the body. It makes your skin very smooth and it helps get rid of blemishes. Oatmeal and goat's milk sounds like a great breakfast idea, but hey, it's also very great for your skin. So let's just get started. So I'll get my soup base and cut a piece. I'll cut them into smaller pieces to make melting very easy. I'll put it in my glass bowl and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. As you can see, it has been melted up. Next, I'll come in with about half a tablespoon of honey. You are gonna agree with me that honey is very great for the skin. It evens out your skin tone and gives you that younger looking skin. Next, I'll come in with some oats. This is about 2 tablespoonfuls. Oats helps soothe the skin and helps get rid of unevenness. It has brightening properties and will get rid of any unwanted discolorations. Next, I'll come in with some goat's milk. I'll use about 6 tablespoonfuls of goat's milk. And as we all know, goat's milk is also very great for brightening up the skin. Finally, I will come in with some cinnamon. This is going to add some flavor and it's also going to help give you that younger skin. You know, cinnamon works against acne and it also helps in improving the elasticity of your skin. I'll get my silicone molds and transfer the mixture into it. I'll let it set for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, this is what we have here. So if you want to use it for blemishes and the treatment of acne, this is how you do it. You just wet up the soap a little bit and just rub it on your face. With the help of your fingers, just massage it. And leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes. Afterwards, rinse it off with lukewarm water. If this is done every day, you are going to see great improvement in 7 days. It will brighten up your skin and leave it more elastic. You can say bye-bye to imperfections and age marks. Okay guys, so this is it and I hope you did enjoy this. I really hope you are gonna give this soap a try. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.